Hey photo friends, Phil Ebener here. I have a quick question and request. So right now I'm putting together this photo composition course with some friends, JP and Lydia from New York, amazing photographers and amazing teachers. And we're collaborating on this course really with the goal of teaching anybody with any camera how to improve their photos. And this key element that is sometimes missing for beginner photographers is understanding how to compose your images properly. So in this course, we walk through all the basic and most important compositional styles, techniques with examples, practice activities, live in-person demonstrations, well, not live in-person demonstrations, but real-world demonstrations, all kinds of good stuff. But as we're putting together this course, I want to make sure that it's something that students want, and if there's things specific to this topic that you would want out of this course. So if you could leave a comment below with any ideas that you have related to photography composition, if there's things that confuse you, techniques that you don't understand fully, things whether you're a beginner or more advanced user photographer, what are you looking for in a course about photography composition, so that as we're creating it, we can make sure it's the best course out there and can teach everybody how to become a better photographer. Cool. Thanks so much. And as always, have a beautiful day.